Are you experiencing error code NP-102944-0 with please install the latest system software message on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Update via the internet. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, select network, then select test internet connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Now navigate to PS5 settings. Go to system, then from the system software section, select system software update and settings. Then select update system software and then select update using internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Method 2. Update via USB drive. If you have any issues downloading the updates following the previous method, try updating via USB drive. To do so, turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep. On a PC or Mac, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive that has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside the folder, create another folder name and name it as Update. Now, download the update file from here and save it in the update folder. Name it as ps5update.pup. Make sure there is 1,1 GB of free space. Now, plug the USB drive with the updated file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select Update Softwares, then Update from USB storage device. If your PS5 console doesn't recognize the updated file, ensure that the folder names and file names are correct. Use uppercase letters for the folder names and file name. Method 3. Restart network equipment. If an error occurs during the update process, restart your network equipment, that is your modem or router. To do this, unplug the modem or router for a few minutes, then plug in the device and check. Method 4. Restart PS5. You can also restart the PS5 console, then try updating again. To restart the PS5 console, press the PlayStation button on your controller to open the Control Center menu. Navigate to the power icon and select it. Choose the Restart PS5 or similar option. Confirm your selection if prompted, and your PS5 will shut down and restart automatically. Method 5. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation support for further assistance. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code NP-102944-0 with please install the latest system software message on your PS5. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.